During this short presentation, we will show you how to complete and submit your SAR-7 report. CalFresh households must complete a SAR-7 report as part of the requirements to receive benefits. Some CalFresh households will submit the SAR-7 report semi-annually and others annually. It will depend on their household's certification period. At your initial interview and also at your recertification one, your worker will inform you when to expect your SAR-7 report and will briefly review the report with you. The SAR-7 report is mailed to all CalFresh households. Therefore, it is extremely important to have your current mailing address. The first thing you should consider is timeliness. The SAR-7 is due by the 5th day of the month that must be submitted, also known as the SAR submit month, and it is timely if received by the 11th day of the submit month. After the 11th is considered untimely, but you can still provide it. Remember, if you turn your complete SAR-7 at any time in the month following the month your SAR-7 is due, your CalFresh benefits will start again from the date you turn in the report if you are eligible. It is also important to understand what is the month you are reporting about. To understand the difference between the submit month, which is the month you send the report to us or is due, and the report month, which is the month you are reporting about your household circumstances. The second thing you should consider is completeness. When do we consider the SAR-7 complete? The SAR-7 report is considered complete only when all questions in the report are answered and boxes checked, all income from the data month is verified, and the SAR-7 is signed and dated. Now, let's review the SAR-7 report. At the top of the questions, there is a statement that indicates to check any of these boxes if you want your benefits to stop. Please be aware, only check any of these boxes when you want us to discontinue your case. Question 1. This question is about your household composition changes. Answer yes or no accordingly. The question is asking you if anyone has moved into your home or out of your home. These may include newborns, people who are temporarily absent from the home, anyone who have died, or anyone who entered or left an institution. If your answer is yes, make sure to complete the information below. The date of the move, when the person came into the home or left the home, the name of the person, the date of birth and the relationship to you. Does this person purchase and prepare food together with the household? Question 2. This question is about any address changes. If you have moved, you must report it. Please answer yes or no accordingly. If your answer is yes, please provide your current address. This will help us to inform you timely of what is required from you to continue to receive CalFresh. Question 3. Answer if you have moved since you last reported. Let us know if your rent, mortgage, and/or utilities expenses have changed since you last reported. Question 4 needs to be answered if you are receiving CalWorks. If you are receiving CalFresh only, you do not need to answer the question. Question 5 is about medical expenses. This is applicable only to elderly or disabled CalFresh households. If you are an elderly, 60 years or older, or disabled, we would like to know if your medical expenses have increased. Add the name of the individual who had the change and the amount of the increment. Please attach proof. Question 6 is about child support changes paid by a household member. Answer yes or no accordingly. If your answer is yes, please list the amount paid and attach proof. Question 7, it's about dependent care expenses. If you receive CalFresh and pay out of pocket for child care or adult care, in order to work, look for work, or attend school, please complete all parts of the question. Question number 8. This question is about property, resources, and lottery or casino winnings. Answer yes or no accordingly. Have anyone in the home sold, bought, traded, gave away, or won any property, resources, or lottery and casino winnings? Please name the person who did, the type of property, when this happened, and the value. Please attach proof. Question 9 is about any source of earned income or income from employment that was received in the report month. This includes self-employment income. If anyone in the CalFresh household received earned income, answer yes or no respectively. If your answer is yes, name the person who received the income, the source of the income, the payment frequency, the gross amount, and the hours worked. You must attach proof. Remember, proof of income is not limited to employer statements, pay stubs, or W-2 forms. If you need assistance obtaining proof, please contact us. Question 10 is about changes in income from employment during the next 6 months. This includes the income you reported on question 9. Answer yes or no accordingly. For example, do you expect to start or stop working? Will your hours or pay increase or decrease? If your answer is yes, please attach proof. Question 11 is asking you if anyone in the household received money from other sources during the report month. Other sources but employment. Sources such as Social Security income, unemployment benefits, state disability insurance, veterans benefits, workers' compensation, child or spousal support, loans or cash gifts. Answer yes or no accordingly. If the answer is yes, make sure you name the person who received this income, the source of the income, the frequency of the payment, and the amount of the payment. Attach proof. Question 12. This question asks if anyone in the household will have any changes during the next 6 months on money from other sources, including the ones in question 11. Answer yes or no accordingly. If you answer yes, please attach proof. Question 13 is only answered if you are receiving CalWorks. If your household only receives CalFresh, do not answer this question. The last section of the report is very important. Read carefully. By signing the SAR 7 report, you are certifying that all answers on the report are correct and complete to the best of your knowledge. You are also indicating that you understand that fraud penalties apply to CalFresh and CalWorks, and that you agree to cooperate and provide anything that is needed to complete your report. Lastly, you must sign and date the report to be considered complete. For CalFresh, the head of household, a responsible household member, or the household authorized representative must sign it. For CalWorks, the client and their aided spouse, registered domestic partner, or the other parent of the cash aid children if living in the home must sign it. The third and last step is the submission of the report. Attach all proof with your SAR-7 report. Let us know if you need help getting proof. We can assist you. There are several ways to submit your SAR-7 report to our office. You can submit the report by regular mail. Mail the SAR-7 back to us in the prepaid postage envelope we send you with the report. You also have the option to submit your report online. Log in into your mybenefitscalwin.org account or your MyBenefits Calwin phone app. If you prefer to submit the report in person, you may come to the nearest office to you and drop off the SAR-7 report. You also have the option to call our customer service line to complete your SAR-7 report. Calling at 1-888-472-4463 to submit your SAR-7 report allows you to speak with a worker. The worker will assist you to complete the report over the phone and you can agree to sign it telephonically. The worker will also determine if you need to provide additional verification. Lastly, you may also submit your SAR-7 report and attach any proof logging into vchsa.org/submit. Please complete the required information and attach photos or documents if applicable. If you have any questions about your SAR-7 report, please do not hesitate to call us at 1-888-472-4463. The Human Services Agency and the CalFresh program thank you for your time.